Hello and Assalamu alaikum. And now we will make a website with the help of CHAT GPT. So we can click on try CHAT GPT. We will get the page with which you are very familiar. So now we will ask and type anything to CHAT GPT to get a code in HTML or CSS for website. So here you can type anything you want, or you think that this would be the feasible to get a code properly in HTML or CSS for your website. And before that, I want to tell you one thing, that you can specify the features or things to ChatGPT to understand and make the website according to your own. If you're making a website for others, then you can put those features which your client wants from you, so you will get the best website. So basically the ChatGPT will give you the base of website. So here I am writing something in a, so as you can see I have write down, so you can write anything according to your own. So you can put the features as well which you want to get for your website. So as you can see here, he is providing me a code. So we'll move on to that code which I will already get and make a website. Basically, this is the code which I got from ChatGPT in HTML or CSS. So as you can see, this is approximately 200 lines. This was the code for your basement to make your own website. So we will see what I have got from this code. So moving on to the physical features of website, how will a website will be look like. So as you can see, I gave the name of my website by pictures and gallery, and here from here you can buy the picture. So I have already write the name of picture and the price according to yours, and so you can click on choose file. With the help of this you will be able to choose any file, any picture file from your PC, and you will be able to sell on your website because you are the admin, and this is the feature you have got, and the buyers will come and buy from here. So this will be very beneficial for yours and in your life, and I hope you got the best one from here. Now you are not allowed to think that ChatGPT is not the base for earning. It is in actual, basically. Make sure to subscribe this channel and we give a big thumb to this video. I am making videos with efforts. So subscribe my channel and share. Thank you.